Hello friends, today I'm going to make primary colors and secondary colors.
Haran, what are primary colors?
Red, blue, yellow.
Yeah, those are primary colors. You are going to make secondary colors by using primary colors, right?
And I will show you the secondary colors. But first we need water. Free water. Then enough. Then we need yellow and blue to make. But we need more yellow and blue. Then it will be perfect. Mix, 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 mix. Perfect green. A little bit more mixing. Much more. Ah, correct. So, remember, blue and yellow makes green. So, are you ready? Dum, dum, then mix.
This time you are using
Blue and red.
what color can you get?
You will see. Ah.
Blue and
So, I'm going to mix it now. Amazing. It's purple.
yes.
Now, yellow,
By this time you are going to use
red, and yellow. Now mix. It's making perfect orange. But this time we need more cups to make the primary colors. First we need some water. But how about blue and this one and this blue? Another. So we have to mix. Even mixing. Whoa! Mix. What's making perfect blue? Now yellow, and more yellow. And more. Then mix. Yellower. It's going to be bright. Bright. Perfect. Now we need red. And red. Now we have to mix. Make them round dumbbell. Head. Mix. Ta-da!
Now tell me Haran, what are those?
Red, blue, yellow. Primary color.
What are secondary colors?
Secondary colors are these. Green, purple, and orange, and green.
How can you get secondary colors?
Because of yellow and blue makes the color green. Red and blue makes the color purple. No. Red and yellow makes the color orange.